And check this out. It's a website that's tracking COVID infections in public schools across the state. As you can see, some Valley schools are already flagged. And that's just one service already available for parents. Channel 5's Rudy Morales has more.
Earlier this week, school districts were required to report COVID-19 infections to the Texas Education Agency to build their public reporting dashboard. In an email, TEA Representative Melissa Holmes says the data should be available next week. But a teachers' union has already launched their own version. The Texas American Federation of Teachers went live Thursday with StopTheSpreadTX.school. Rob D'Amico says it goes further than the state dashboard, which will only provide district-wide data.
So the intent was to give that level of specificity in reporting while also giving educators and school employees a voice in noting their concerns around how their districts are doing, and in particular their campus.
In Brownsville, 3 reports have already been filed, but the reports aren't what they seem. At one school, an anonymous claim of a principal infected, another claiming an infection they heard about through the grapevine. Regional Medical Director Dr. Emily Pro says case rumors are not a new trend.
Since the beginning of COVID, there's been a lot of that on social media, and I know it's been difficult for people, and a lot of those cases, they might be true, they might not be true.
Pro warning the public to double-check where they get their info.
Just know where you're getting your information. Is it through the grapevine, or is it someone has a lab in hand and they can verify that?
D'Amico says the app was launched in around 3 weeks. With over 200 reports within minutes of going live, a team is working to verify reports like the ones in Brownsville with evidence.
So the typical types of evidence are a letter from the superintendent or principal noting a case on campus, or a media report that's based off of that.
Reminding users, officials are making the final call on when schools reopen their doors.
It's not something that's meant to stigmatize a campus or put fear into the populace. We feel the more information that the public has, the better they can plan for what they need to do. The local health authorities will always be the ones that are out there looking at the actual decision making.
Dr. Pro added, regardless of rumors or verified cases, one thing is certain. Parents and teachers are concerned, saying one way to help, reinforcing things in your children like proper mask wearing, basic hygiene, and social distancing measures.